Hi everyone, and thank you for watching. Today we're making air fryer soy sauce chicken. Now this is a super quick, easy, and tasty recipe. You can make it for lunch or dinner, serve it with some rice or noodle or some potatoes. Just great that I found this cheap chicken at Walmart. It was actually on sale and I bought 3 quarters for $2.28, and that's actually really cheap for a meal. Toss in some vegetables, make some rice, excellent. One of the great things about cooking at home is number 1, you do save some money, and number 2, it is much more healthy. What you're gonna need to do is rub the chicken with salt and rinse it clean. To get the flavor to soak into the chicken and make it delicious, tasty, and tender, you will need to marinate the chicken for at least 24 hours. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, add 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, add 1 tablespoon rice cooking wine, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and this is optional. You can add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce to add some color. You will need to rub and massage the sauce onto the chicken. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and massage and mix well. The reason we add the cornstarch is so that the sauce can stick to the chicken and really get it to be nice and tender. Cover the chicken and refrigerate it for at least 24 hours. I have a small air fryer, so I'm only going to be making 2 of these for lunch. Set the temperature to 180 for 10 minutes. Now, if you are cooking 3 of the quarters, you will need to adjust your time accordingly. Once you've cooked it for 10 minutes on one side, you're going to flip it and then put it back in for an additional 8 minutes. Let's see how this soy sauce chicken air fryer looks like. Are you ready? What do you think? Is it gorgeous? Just listen to that sizzle. Now you notice all the oil is drained to the bottom of the pan. Super healthy, not greasy. So much better than baking where it sits in the oil, and much better than deep frying. Let's just kind of poke the skin a little bit to see if we have a crunch. Not bad, you can hear it. Can you hear it? So let's pick this up and take a look at the soy sauce air fryer chicken. Beautiful. Gonna cut it up and see how it looks on the inside. Woo! Gorgeous. Go. This smells so good. This chicken turned out better than I expected. It's juicy, tender, and super tasty. This chicken will be great with a salad, with some potatoes, or rice or noodles. Remember to please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Are you ready to make some delicious barbecue air fryer pork?